definitely got a bit of magnet envy.
You reckon? Hey, what have we got? Don't know, it's fell apart.
Looks like the bottom of a can, doesn't it?
Yeah. So that there now, it's got your feet straight across. See my tattoos.
Oh, I've got a bottle cap.
Budweiser?
I don't think it is. No. San Miguel.
San Miguel?
An old.
San
A
Miguel.
really old San Miguel. Look at that. That's a really old one.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, it's San Miguel. What have we got? What have we got? Hey, I've got one. No way.
Same. Budweiser.
Budweiser, that's what it's saying. Yeah, the Budweiser one. We're hoping to catch some fish.
Oh, right, what are you after?
And magnetic.
Oh, wait.
Magnet fishing is kind of taken off on YouTube lately. And I've been watching it. I really enjoy it. So we've got a couple of magnets together and whatever you hook onto, you can pull out. We've had like little bites and stuff. And, but it's also a way to clean up as well, yeah.
I had bullets yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah, bullets.
Yeah.
£6 worth of money and 5p's and 10p's. You know, it just sticks to the magnet and you pull it out.
I've got something now.
You don't.
Let's hope it's not like an age you threw in last year.
I'm on that thing again now. Yeah. Alright,
How long have you been working on that one?
2 seconds.
Oh.
This is right.
To be honest, this magnet's like ridiculously strong.
Oh.
But it's a good way to clean up the canals and the rivers as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
YouTubing it. Good old YouTube. I told that.
So where is it? Well, what's some of the more interesting places you've been doing it in?
Chester.
Oh yeah, you just find some good stuff in there.
Chester, Manchester. I found 2 bullets yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, so it's a good bit of a hobby.
It's a bit,
So,
hit and miss, but
yeah.
Especially, well, in Chester you might be getting some Roman coins.
Yeah.
that's the hope, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you go to all the old Roman crossings or anything, you might find something.
Like there's one in Lancashire called Winchester, but no one goes there.
Yeah.
That's a Roman place as well.
Ribchester.
Oh, I might have a look and have a run up to it.
We do get about like, so.
Yeah.
Ribchester.
Yeah, that'll be a good one to have a nosy.
How long have you been doing this? Not now, but
A bit longer, yeah. A couple of weeks for Carl. I'm about a year and a half into it.
It's
So.
so cheap to get set up for 50 quid. And it's a full-time hobby if you want it.
yeah.
And I earn off YouTube, so
There you go.
something on that. Well, was something on that.
You pulled out a spade.
This would be so interesting. Right.
You-
All the best, everyone.
Yeah. See you later, guys. I thought they might have known you from church, mate. I thought they might have known you from church.
You should have said to them, add me YouTube channel. Because he said, oh, I watch YouTube.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
I didn't know, so.
Should we plug in the channel as often as you can?
You know what? When they mention and I say YouTube and they say, what's your channel name? I usually tell them, say, it's this. Got a couple of videos ahead of myself now. This will be the 3rd one I've got ahead of myself. You know the funny part about it, mate? I pulled that spade out and you've been in this area, didn't pick it up.
Yeah, I've not been where you are though.
Oh, haven't you? Nah, just there.
Yeah. She hooked that.
Meatloaf.
No wonder where he went. Meatloaf.
Celebrity Meatloaf.
Sounds like a good name for a TV show.
Is it off?
Oh no, still got it. Yeah, it's off now.
I thought I was going in with that then. West as I've been in a long time.
Well, I did have something. It's definitely come. Oh yeah, money.
So I got 2p off that one. I put it there.
I got 10p.
There it is, I've just put it there, mate. 10p, what age is it?
Don't know.
I always have a look at how old they are.
It's a fairly new one, I think.
2015. But you wonder, how's 10p got there, don't you?
Kids.
Just throwing it in.
Yeah.
That with Chester yesterday when I found all that, that's because of the bridge I was on.
Yeah.
People making wishes and that's what they use it for, don't they?
Years ago, people used to make, you know, like,
Mate,
they call it a bit of witch. Oh, that's cool. They called it like a bit of witchcraft. What's that sticking off? Is that a screwdriver? Like a bit of witchcraft. And they used to make offerings to like the gods and stuff years ago.
yeah, you used to do all
They
that,
used
didn't
to put like little bags of money and throw bags of money in, but you'd have like a piece of hair with it or a little piece of pottery or something as well.
that could be cleaned up, that, you know. What?
It's cool, though.
That's old. That's fairly old.
What's Rapunzel gonna do now?
That is old, that. Right, what's that? Just bags, isn't it?
Huge there.
You got it?
I keep scraping right across it, but oh, that come? Yeah, I've got it. No way, I've got it. Whatever that is, it's heavy.
Is it?
That's the heaviest thing I've picked up on this.
Get going. Am I getting you wet there? Don't answer.
Say the nicest thing. I've definitely got it, wherever it is. Oh my word, it's heavy.
Could be a trolley, bike.
Oh no,
You've got it to there.
still got it. Must have caught on something. Definitely still on the line. Gonna need a hand with this.
You're gonna need to get a hand to get it up, yeah? What the hell? It's a scooter? It's a scooter? Send it home for your Scott.
I thought I was going to need a hand with it because the way it felt like it was coming off the water, but yeah, look at that.
It's a scooter? Oh, it stinks as well, mate.
Should we ride it into the canal?
Yeah, well, I'll do.
Wish we'd have brought a bucket now to clean up.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll go down to here and get one. So we'll straight over it. Something's just jumped in the water there.
Something.
Yeah? Oh, it's a bird.
Anaconda.
Oh, you know the bottle of water that we've got? What I'll do is I'll finish my water.
Well, that didn't go well.
I'll finish my water
I just used that.
and use that to throw it.
Yeah.
Tidy up a little bit. Got a spade. First time I pull a spade out.
There's the top of that can.
I keep connecting to stuff here. Yeah, mate. What's this? Cheers, mate.
Can't believe how long this rope is. Sorry.
Cheers, mate.
In your face.
Yeah, rope's unreal, isn't it? Yeah, that up.
Definitely feel it every time I go over it, but it's not connected to it.
I'm moving down a bit now because it's a bit wet there. Shitty. Oh, guess what, mate? No way.
What's he got?
From Ford keys.
Got a bunch of keys.
Keys, aren't they? Penny.
Yeah, definitely old Ford keys, then, mate.
That's what it looks like, isn't it?
Yeah, cool, that.
Bang them. What I'll do is I'll give them a clean when I get on. Just put them back on for a sec. So we give it. I'll throw them in some white vinegar. See what comes up on them. Fob map it says on it, or something like that. No. FO 10AP. Someone's keys.
Is it AP or I thought it said 10 amp?
I don't know.
It looked like AM thing.
Yeah, mate. Want something again?
Don't think I've got no more though.
Does shows though, doesn't it? The keys are there. What else is in here?
Well, yeah.
On something there, mate.
You are?
Was. And again. It jumped and it went back on it. No, nothing on that one. I try and step back when I'm that water comes back. It's nice, get you, doesn't it?
Yeah. You want something there? Look at this.
Was. You're ready on something, aren't you?
That's about where I pulled that.
Scooter. Throw it back and just see if it might be stuck underneath all the dirt and stuff.
It's all, there's tons of metal stuff here, mate. I'll keep never onto it, yeah. Maybe it's better than your one.
Yeah, moving down. Another penny, guys. So far we've got 14p.
Not even got enough for half a lager each.
Go on, I'll come down. Are you moving down that way?
Oh, it's here.
Right, you go there, I'll go here. Ready? 1, 2. Oh!
Yeah, that's exactly where I caught onto something there, mate.
I'll use the metal side to get rid of some of the water as well. Yeah, I'm on something there, mate. Was. And again. I've got something, but I don't know what.
I can't believe I pulled that full thing out on this magnet though. So there's a bit of strength to it.
There's a lot of strength to it, but I don't believe it's as strong as this one. Nowhere near, is it? And this one's by Online Magnets. Got it?
Is that the one you got from Online Magnets?
Online Magnets. Go on, mate. Bubbles there as well. God.
This is deep. Oh, get right on where mine is there.
We just throw that there.
Oh, bit west. Are you on it?
Not yet. Oh, that was a splashback. Got it. Right, ready?
Oh, that feels like something substantial, mate. What the hell's that?
Huh? What? Do the fake, mate. I was on that there.
What is this?
Yeah.
So they did have something.
Have a look. Yeah, it's got holes there on there.
Yeah.
Could be off one of the barges or anything, couldn't it? Right.
You still on that? Right there?
That's sliding around it, whatever that is. That there.
Oh, that was a big bubble there.
Yeah, come on, coming up. Mate, I'm on that. Oh. Carl using his strength. Oh, he's good. Shabba.
Like a bath after the well.
I'm back on that again.
Yeah, I'm coming across it right now. Right, oh, that lifted then. Can you feel it lifting?
Yeah, it's lifting. Nice and slow.
That came up then, but oh, you had all the weight there, to be fair.
What are we on?
Oh, there it is, I can see it.
It's massive. It's there, look.
No, is it a bike?
It's a trolley.
Get out of it.
It's a trolley, look. It's there. What was that on the end of my thing there?
Can you see?
Right, you ready?
I've not got it, mate.
I have. Look at that. Watch that something fly back up, mate. Wow.
It is a trolley, isn't it?
Right. Can you keep hold of that? We're going deep.
They're going deeper underground. Deep undercover. Holy shit.
Yeah. Right, sit will go underneath. Watch it all the road. Your legs. I've got that.
Right.
Mate, what's that?
Let's get these magnets. What's your foot?
Go inside underneath. There.
Go on.
Take the quid out of it, mate.
I wonder if there's still a quid in it. No, there's no pound in it. Let's lift it on top, piece over there.
We're over
Over there.
so
Yeah, and we can use this
for the rubbish.
to throw all the rubbish in.
It's Tesco.
Is the week shopping in there?
Is it Tesco, yeah? That's Tesco. It's not been around Tesco for us since we went to the range. Because,
Oh yeah, Tesco's the range, huh?
yeah.
That's not a plug for the range.
Wow, that was heavy.
Just there where I am. Are you on it?
See? It's moving around yours, but I am now.
Yeah, the service are on it.
Whatever it is,
Yeah, we've got it.
I'm off.
I'm still on it there.
Right, let me go this side again.
I've got it. It's coming.
Got it?
Yeah.
I've got you.
Oh, shit. It's just there below.
Right, straight down. You on it?
I'm on it, yeah.
Right, I'll let you crap it there. I'll see if I can get close to you.
It feels like a little scooter.
You're
That's it,
pulling.
it's coming, it's coming,
Whatever
it's
you're
coming, I can
pulling,
see
it's
it.
pulling me
I
up.
can see it.
It's a bite through.
It's a bite through.
Want a bite, lads? What kind of bike is it? Does it say?
No.
Watch all the crap, mate. Eh? Yeah, about 15 minutes. Yeah, not long.
It's only cheap
Where
to
you
start
from?
up as well, you know. It's only cheap to start up, you know. It's only 50 quid for a decent magnet. £5 for a rope.
I like the fishing like.
Well, this is good for that because it cleans up the river.
No, this company that I use here now, mate, called Online Magnets, and the most powerful magnets you can buy, like.
Online magnets are cool, yeah.
Like give it lost one, like just come back.
No, just make sure you glue, because when you buy a magnet, screw top to it on top of it. Just make sure you glue it in. It's glue. Double knot your ropes, tie them in the ropes round.
Second trolley.
Just keep it taut.
Right.
You take it back, you can have the foot. No. Some of them will, though, you know, that's the second trolley today.
Got it, mate. Get the muscle on him.
Are you where you want to get, and where you want to keep.
Right, and you're going to keep them shoes.
No, only for doing this next time.
Is that you do your shopping, Carl?
What's your name? You.
Yeah, I'm here.
He's Carl.
Yeah.
I can't believe that 2 trolleys just do the size of this fence. What? They must have been in there since before this fence went in.
Yeah, see you later, lads.
Take it easy.
Nice enough lads, aren't they? You don't mind like that.
Don't mind them. You locked onto that?
Soon tell you in a sec. No. Oh, come on. That was a massive fail, mate.
Oh, you gotta let go of them.
Yeah. I'm on it. On it. We're on us.
Oh.
All that for a piece of string. Hey, no, we have got something though. What we got?
This was one of them.
Hey, that out there.
Hey?
That come out there.
Yeah, I'm that one, mate.
That, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, money.
Money? In a bag as well.
2 finger. 2001.
I was going to say, where my jacket is, mate.
It's not Roman.
Right, where my jacket is. They're all on the floor there.
Well, whatever that is. I want to get that first, just here.
Let's get a rope up over here.
I think I missed it.
It's about there, isn't it? About there.
Yeah.
I'm not on it.
I wonder if we moved it just to here.
Carlsberg?
Probably.
Carlsberg did magnet fishing.
Stop doing that.
Yeah, it's the only problem. We've got another metal railing in it. There. Where I am now.
I've come right past it, so.
Right, it's sliding as well.
Oh, I'm on something as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's not the same thing.
Right, as soon as you collect it to my... Whoa, what's that you've got though?
Oh, that's a knife. Isn't it?
No.
No, it's not. It's an old bracket.
Look at that though.
More money.
Yeah.
Just twist them.
It's not going that one, mate.
Get that other one off. That looks like.
Old penny. Soft when you get on, aren't they? Take that off. So I said to you, it's mega when you get on. The best way of doing it. I told you that's the way to do it, Carl.
Whichever you're on my road.
Right, let's move these into the... Where you going there, mate?
Wherever you go.
Right, I'm gonna go about there because that's where the other one was. That's what I've always wanted, though. Let's go and put my jacket back on in a minute, I reckon. It's getting a bit chilly. Have you?
Oh, I'm on something there now. Hello.
Yeah, I want something there. Just there. Mate. Don't know. We need to learn about this metal fence, don't we? I'm not on it. I'm on your rope.
Gives you a look from this angle.
Is that sliding on yours then? Yeah.
Sure. So just see where. Oh, so it might.
I keep.
It's there. It's there.
Right. Okay. Well, I keep passing that.
Oh, another coin. What is that? Is that an old 5p? Wash it in the water.
It's something Republic.
Well, there's only a few Republics, isn't there? That's Irish.
Is it?
Yeah, you can tell. Looks like by the half. Or is it? Oh no, it's foreign.
It looks like Russian. Anyone in the comments, tell us what this is. Yeah.
What's the other coin?
Oh. Carl, I'll need it hand straight away. Probably a bit of strength as well. Is it? not. It's full length. Look at it there. It's catching. So what you're gonna have to do. Yeah.
It's no, it's under. Look, it needs
yeah,
to
it's
come
yeah. It needs to be. I couldn't get it. You're right. It's on your back. No, that's the biggest fan we've got today. What's she like? What's she like? What's she fucking like? It's alright, just chuck it over, mate. So, whoever's been magnet fishing hasn't got that out either, have they?
No. We could use that, keep crowd fish.
Crowd control. Could be our second bite, this, mate. Cause I had that BMX, didn't I? I was putting that in that pocket. Money.
Magnet down where I am.
I can see the bike. So if I go up there, just turn that. That wasn't the bike that we thought though. Oh, knock that back that way. That definitely isn't a new bike, mate.
No, but it's cool.
That's definitely not a new one, is it? With the handlebars on it. My magnet's just on the other side, mate.
The wheels are a bit flat.
Go on, get on the car and give us a ride. Guess what, mate? Bubbles there. Slow bubbles there.
What? You got it?
Yeah, I think. Whoa, what the hell's that, mate?
That looks like a... That looks like a shell. Part of an exhaust or something.
No, you know what that is?
Turn it upside down.
It's chimbly off one of the barges.
Ah, yeah, like a fluke.
Yeah. That's all crap in it. Yeah, there for a sec.
Fine, that.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, it's one of the posts from down here.
One of the bollards in there. That shows how heavy you can pull out, like.
Yeah. I bet you're heavy, innit?
We've had a fence, we've had a bike, scooter, we've had loads.
People throw all sorts in there.
Knives, guns. Yeah. Sorry, mate. You nearly got a magnet there, mate. You could have ended up in the canal.
Wait, yeah.
I used to do it years ago with up.
Yeah, grappling hooks. There's no problem with grappling hooks. It's good stuff.
Yeah.
We used to do it years ago in the river.
Right.
You want
A
something?
big barge ended up coming in the end though. You don't want them. They dig it on it.
They don't do them anymore. They do drain them, but not as much as they used to. Whatever that is, mate. That weighs a ton.
No, I'm just on your rope.
We connected now. No, we're not. I'm still on that, mate.
Yeah, I was just on your rope there.
It's a big magnet on the end.
What are you trying to get?
Woo, anything. Knives, guns. I had bullets yesterday.
Things already.
Yeah.
If you look over there, we've dragged out 3 trolleys. We've dragged out a metal fence. We've dragged out scooters.
I've got something here now, Carl.
It's just to help clean up and see what's interesting. If you find anything interesting,
Good on you.
it helps clean up the local
Bloody well
canal.
one bomb, did you? First sort of 2
We
bomb.
found out.
Do us a favour.
Yeah.
Just grab your magnet, mate. Because because I'm onto something there.
Looks like a car bumper or something, mate.
It's magnetic.
Oh no, do you know what it is?
No, what's that?
I've got it. Wow, it's an old Tilly lamp type thing.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whatever that is behind it as well, 'cause that's separate, that.
I mean, to be fair, it's a really cheap hobby. It's only 50 quid for the magnet.
Online magnets.
And you buy yourself a little Chico. This is the hobby that costs 50 quid. You never have to pay anything more.
That is really interesting, knowing what you're going to drag out.
Well, that's the thing. You don't know what you're getting.
1962 fire extinguisher I got on Wednesday, didn't I?
We found quite a bit of money change.
Yeah.
But you know, enough to put towards like a train fare to go somewhere else and try somewhere different. Or something, you know.
That's brilliant.
That's just an empty bag.
It must be absolutely full of stuff then, mustn't it?
Yeah,
These haven't been cleared since the 60s or 70s, right? And you know what's in there?
it could be anything.
People found safes, all kinds of watches in them. So people do robberies and stuff.
This is what I did for it. So as you can see, I've got a camera around me. I put it onto YouTube. There's a gang of YouTubers doing it, and they're finding guns, knives. I found a rifle last summer down at Prestonborough. So I found 2 bullets yesterday.
Like, not an air rifle, proper rifle.
Eric.
No.
So you got, but the thing is, you got to phone the police then. And so you got to phone the police when you find a gun. Straight away, yeah. 'Cause it's 7-year prison sentence now if you've not got your license for it.
Right.
So, but this is from Online Magnet company.
So it must be powerful then.
That's 200 kilograms a side. It'll pulse. It's 400 kilograms. So you're looking
This
at
is about 300, something like that.
yeah.
But to put them together, like I said, we've pulled out bikes. I've just pulled out that bollard with one magnet.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that,
That stuff that's been pulled out there has been pulled out before, they've been through back here.
how's it?
Yeah.
Right. Fair enough.
So we
We-
phoned the council when we finished to get this going.
Yeah. So it'll be gone now.
Do you?
Yeah. We scrap man. We have. So we'll get rid of it. So that's a bit
You
old.
can't just leave it there because, like he says, it'll just go back in.
Them ones with the barge, don't they?
Did they?
Got the barge.
So why are they from it? Because that's usually Canal Trust. That they want it clear. So
Actually, local council aren't directly happy about it because a lot of people are pulling it up and saying it's making a mess, but it's also clearing the canals and the rivers. And,
I'm on something again there, mate.
oh, I was on something heavy there as well.
You know when you're on something, you can just feel it dead heavy.
Yeah.
So
Like catching a big fish.
pretty much.
But as soon as you long constant, you can feel it comes down the line.
Oh,
If
can you?
you keep it taut, as soon as you feel it.
Whatever it is, I'm on it.
Yeah, I'm on the other end.
Are you got each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, when the magnets grip each other, it's hard to get them off.
See that then? No. Yours has slid off that dead easy. Mine didn't.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Have a good day.